Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to add motion blur in Pixlr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Pixlr photo editor. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the right side of your screen. Under layers, click on this little plus icon and then click on image. Once you click on image, you can choose any image from your PC. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. So once you select the image, then in order to adjust it to the frame, make sure to zoom out a little bit and then you can click on any corner, hold it and then drag it to the right or to the left to change the size of the image. So now we're gonna adjust it to the frame. And then once you do that, in order to add motion blur to this image, for example, go right here to the left side of your screen, and then you're gonna find all of the tools that you need in order to edit your image. So right here, you're gonna find blur, sharpen, or smudge. Draw over areas in the image to sharpen, blur, or smudge details. Go ahead and click on this option. Make sure that you select the layer of the image. So we're going to select this one. And then as you can see guys right here, you're going to find three modes. So there is the blur mode, sharpen, and lastly smudge. So click on blur and then go here to the brush. You can adjust the size of the brush and you can also adjust the strength. And then, for example, we're going to make this character blurry. And as you can see guys, now it's getting blurred. I'm gonna increase the size a little bit. And then I'm gonna blur all of this side of the image. And then if you go to strength, you can either increase or decrease the strength. And now you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.